Oh, and I just got accepted into the YouTube partner program this morning, so these videos are going to be making money. Yay! I woke up about 30 minutes. Good morning, good morning. What's up? I just woke up about 30 minutes ago at about 5:45. It's about 6:20 a.m. Pacific time. And I want to show you guys what I woke up to. Just how I wake up. Usually I sleep in gas stations, Loves or Pilots. This whole Bay Area, there's not a lot of truck stops. It's really weird. You would think so. So I randomly found a parking lot, kind of rolled the dice. Look, nobody's here. It's a nice city wherever I'm at. I'll put it right here. But yeah, they just like saw a van and nobody messed with me, and I woke up and I'm fine. And let me show you how my van looks. I guess it's ugly. I have it all nasty. People want to know like how the inside workings look, but I'll show you. Raw. So raw and uncut. It's a little dirty right now. I have these two totes. My blankets and stuff go right there. I have dirty clothes right there. I have a bunch of toolboxes. I have this spare tire right there. That's a trash bag I need to throw away. There's my Pilot cup. Okay, let's go in. Just a bunch of little stuff up here. This is like forks and knives and stuff. I got greens for the morning, protein greens. Creatine, of course, 10 milligrams a day. Pre-workout, coffee, spare water. Well, these are the greens actually. What else? I just have these little like where I could throw stuff in, spices and stuff. I have another one right there. $1 at Dollar Tree for these things. Just throw stuff in and then I could. Nothing special. Got my safety vest right there. I think I bought this at Dollar Tree for $1. Just kind of hang them. I bought this dolly. Forgot what I paid. It probably was like 30 bucks. Holds 150 pounds. Bought it at Harbor Freight. Got a broom right there. Just random miscellaneous stuff. Gloves. This opens from the outside, so when it gets hot, the heat escapes. And then I just got straps hanging. These that hold a lot of weight, like the truckers use. These are hand-me-downs. These were given to me. I think I bought this one in a set and then given to me when I was doing a moving job. And I bought these two. I think I bought this one for $10. This one for like 15. You know, jumper cables to change a tire right there. Shrink wrap. An inverter where I could plug in electrical stuff. This is a propane grill. Get you one of these. Walmart, it was like 40 bucks. You just put the can in right there, connect it, and then turn it on. Real easy, real simple. It's got a little griddle plate. So that's it. There's nothing special in this van. Once it gets nicer and I upgrade it or something, I'll make another video, but everybody wants to see how the van looks. And I sleep on the floor. See how hard that is? It doesn't even bother me though. And I just use that's a moving blanket. That's a sleeping bag. I just put the sleeping bag on the floor. I got a pillow. There's my pillow. If I need to throw it away, I'm just buying a new one. And that's it. So of course people are gonna be like, you're crazy, no mattress, what's wrong with you? I guess I am crazy, but one of these days, today or tomorrow, I'll go look for a mattress, probably at Walmart. But right now I'm trying to get a load.